What's up, guys? Do you have some loose tiles? I'll show you how to fix it without removing and replacing a new tile. First, you need any form of liquid cement or adhesives, a gun, an industrial syringe with mine I select 1.9 needle diameter, a drill with corresponding drill bit. Since we already identified the affected part, we're gonna drill holes around the grout lines or along the edges because that's where we're gonna flow the liquid cement or any form of adhesives. Let us test fit. Now let's drill more holes. Now we got all the holes, drill holes where we want it to be. Here I removed some part of the grout to cover more space. Now we're ready to flow the adhesives. Project, I'm using a fix a floor product from, I got it from Home Depot. And I'm pumping the liquid or the adhesive or the liquid cement into my industrial syringes. Now we're ready to insert this in one of the holes. And we're gonna flow the adhesive or what we call this, a liquid concrete underneath the affected tiles. So we will give this some pressure, but not too much. And you will have to do that throughout all the holes that you did. The next one, you can hear and feel that it's going in. There you go. We emptied the next syringe. One good indication that we are covering this part or the bottom of this tile with adhesives is when you put pressure here, some of the adhesives or liquid cement are coming out of the holes that we made. There you go. Now for this hole, I think I got lucky with this because for the sound that it creates, looks like I'm gonna be covering most of the loose tiles. Listen. Now I'm done and I regrouted again the edges of the tiles and I'll just wait it until it dries and I will clean it.